2011 Lexus GS570, a quick guide how to replace the alternator. As you see here, we took off the radiator, then the power steering pump, which is located right there, and there is 4 bolts for the alternator. The alternator is already out. Like I said, that's a quick guide. So the bolts are going sideways, so right next to the frame. So it's not hard to take it out, but remember to take off the belt. This is the tensioner right here. Just turn it clockwise and you're gonna lose the belt. The clutch fan needs to come out. It's over there. And the radiator cover needs to come out. And whenever you take it off, so I already got the new one, I'm gonna put it back together. It's about like 2.8 hours, let's say 3 hours to do the job. So shoot me a text message if you need anything. This is all about it. 2011 Lexus 2011 Lexus LX570 alternator replacement, alternator failure. And thank you guys for watching.